Home Remedies presents 8 simple but useful hair hacks for everyday life you must know. Mostly for everyone, hair is the first most noticeable part of their beauty. It enhances one's personality to an extent that it holds the influence on your appearance and sets the tone of your entire look. In today's video, I will tell you some handy hair hacks and how to maintain healthy hair and scalp without using oil. Egg treatment. Use the entire egg to condition your hair. Use half cup of any egg mixture, egg white, entire egg, and apply to clean damp hair. Leave it for 20 minutes and rinse with cool water. Try this one of the most effective beauty tips for hair and notice the change. Baking soda therapy. Make a mixture of 3 tablespoons of baking soda and some water. Dab the solution in your hair after shampooing. Let it sit in for at least 5 minutes before the final rinse. This therapy will help to remove the excess shampoo and styling product from your hair. Apple cider vinegar therapy. Apply a 1:1 ratio of warm water and apple cider vinegar to your hair. Rinse it thoroughly after 5 minutes to get rid of the apple cider vinegar smell. Protein conditioner. For a protein-packed conditioner, mix eggs and yogurt and rub it into your scalp. You can mix in equal ratios. Leave on for 5 minutes or 10 minutes and then wash it off completely. Lemon juice treatment. After the final rinse, apply 1 tablespoon lemon juice to your hair. Simply towel dry your hair and style as normal to get rid of dry hair. Trim your hair regularly. Get your hair trimmed at least every 6 weeks to eliminate dry, split ends. Do not brush wet hair. Wet hair is 3 times weaker and thus more likely to break. It is recommended to towel dry your hair first and then gently detangle your hair using a wide tooth comb. Let your hair air dry. Allow your hair to dry by itself instead of using a blow dryer or hot rollers. Using this artificial mode of drying technique will make your hair more brittle and dry. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.